Hey crafty friends, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I'm here for a Goodwill bins haul. So I went to my Goodwill Outlet, bought some things for junk journals, and let me share what I got. And I also was super excited about this one thing. I just saw this box and I felt it and I felt, okay, it's a book, but why is the person's name on it? So I thought it was gonna be a Bible, and it was not. It is a class of 1960s little, I guess the school was, they were known as the Moos, M-O-O-S. It is an autograph book. How cute is this? And it has little pictures. It has her little school friend pictures in it. Oh my goodness. So I have I collect little autograph books, and I have some from the 20s, from the 40s, and just I have them sitting in a bowl or a little basket. And so anyway, this is so much fun. So I'm super excited about that little find. I'm gonna say, I don't know what she charged me for that. Oh, I also have all these hardback books. Where did they go? Hold one second. So I was gonna, oh, she must have charged me $1 for it. She charged me as a hardback book. So, hold on one second, because I was like, wait, I know I had more books. Okay, I found them. So I got charged as a hardback book for that. So that's $1. My total for everything you're going to see today with the tax was $25.42. And it depends on who's checking you out. Some charge a little more for things and some charge a little less. And this person who checked me out, well, did charge 15 cents for some things, and a lot of 50 cents, and some items were 25 cents. So, you know. Anyway, I found these, which I've never seen these. I thought these were really cool. And isn't that gonna be cute for a little summer, in a summer journal? And they had crafting. So apparently you match up like them doing it and then the finished. So they match. And then here's a little girl using ink and stamping. I love the crafting ones. They're really neat building blocks. Anyway, so here, see, they're starting to put the letters on, then finishing the letters, and I guess it's to find out kind of what comes next. Sharpening a pencil, lemonade, popcorn, baking. Oh, here, look, they're getting down there. So it must be maybe a series. They got the sleeping bag out, rolled it out, and then slept in it. So, oh, and here they are eating the popcorn. Anyway, they're fun, huh? So I did get those. And then I found this tie-dye kit. It's tumble dye. It's by SEI. You can tumble dye a t-shirt, but I thought I'm just gonna use this for paper. I do have some other colors that are in storage, but you can put it on fabric and then you can heat set it if you want. So I could dye fabric with it, but I thought dyeing paper with it would be kind of fun too. So I did get that, or using it with stencils. I found this and I just put it in a bag, but this is not how, it did not come in a bag. It came in just a big pile. So I found all this lace trim, and there's just all different kinds of and widths of different trims. So got that. Now again, this is a textile. This is weighed, and textiles, when they weigh it, is $1.95. Interesting. So they changed. Somebody put in here on my last one. I told you that it was for textiles. Oh no, this is considered. Why did she charge me clothing and textiles? And on this one it said comforter and sheets. That's weird. It was only 99 cents for comforters and sheets. But if it's clothing, clothes and textiles, it's $1.95. So I guess they considered this, these were textiles. Okay, so I got this neat little Christmas napkin. I thought for the fabric, I love the holly. And then I loved this. This is Candace Allen. And it doesn't have anything else on it, but I love the pink and the green. I'll probably make a pillow out of it for my guest bedroom because my best guest bedroom is pink and green. So that's probably what's gonna happen to that. Well, it's actually green and white with some little bits of pink in it, not like the whole room's pink and green. Okay. What else? Then I found on the textile, we're add this in. I found this bandana. So got that for my patriotic journal. And then I found, because I'm doing a superhero journal, I found these games. These game pieces. It has like Spider-Man, all the characters from Spider-Man. I'm not going to use all these, but I may just do like a game piece bundle because I have so many. And I really just got them a couple just to add to that journal. And then I found this, which I thought was really neat. I don't know what it is. It's magnetic though. And I thought this would be really cool to cut. And then I could just bend it over the page if I bend really hard, and it will make a page marker for that journal. Or I'm thinking cut it. They stick to each other. So through a piece of paper, it would stick like through a thin piece of paper. So I may cut them and put them throughout that journal. That was kind of my idea. I don't know what these were for. Absolutely no idea what that's for. But got those. I found some yarn. So this is Red Heart yarn. You know, I'm big into making little granny squares and hearts and all kinds of stuff. So I picked this up because I knew that was going to be really inexpensive. Then I found some little things, little bits and pieces, chickens. Oh, I found this mulled cider. I love these Tyler candles. When I found this, I was like, oh my goodness, because I think these run like $5, just the little tiny votive candles. And it smells really good. It's mulled cider. I love their candles. They're clean burning. Found a little tugboat, a little, I'm doing that little travel journal, so there's like this little road cone, some chickens, sheep, another little chicken, and a bottle of ketchup. So I'm gonna make charms out of those, and I just got him to put on my desk because I used to love Garfield. I used to read him all the time, and I don't know what this actually does or is. I have no idea. If he just stands up and does nothing, probably. So anyway, he's in my desk collection of people to, you know, inspire me and get me going. So I found those. It smells so good, that mulled cider. Save that for fall. And then I found these things, these vintage fryer baskets. And my friend was like, what are you getting these things for? However, I saw Julie Thrifts on YouTube, and she did she put legs, like took a spindle and cut them and made little legs and put them up on feet and filled them with soap and things like that for in her bathroom. I don't know that I'll do that, but I'm thinking I'm gonna add the feet, and I think they'd be really cute for display for maybe a planter. Could put like a pot in it. I don't know, but I thought that they had so many. She has a bunch of ideas for these things. So when I saw two in there, I was like, I'm getting them. They were really inexpensive. Okay, so I also found this cross stitch fabric. So I want to do more slow stitching. I've been having fun doing that. Some more books that I got were, I found the Childcraft books. I did not take them all. I only got 4 because I just opened them. First of all, the end pages are awesome. I had already bought some. I think I showed them in a thrift haul recently. And so I only got the ones that I thought one, I didn't have, or two, I loved the pictures and the graphics. And this one has really good graphics. This has music for the family. And I will probably make this into my own journal because we used to have family music night in our family. People would come and we would sit in we had a huge living room around a grand piano, and people would come over and we would all have family band night and sing and play instruments and stuff. It was a great way of growing up. It's fun childhood memories. So I'm going to keep this for a journal cover for myself. This one is Poems of Early Childhood. Again, okay, this one, look how sweet that is, the little sheep. This one is from originally 1923, but this one is 1960. And you know, the person, whoever did the pictures in here, let me see, art director Milo Winter, has acknowledgement, so it's probably in here somewhere. But the pictures in this one are super sweet, and I did get this one. So be on the lookout for this. Okay, they don't look like very much from the outside. I'm going to keep this one for myself too for an art journal because they're doing art. Okay, Art for Children. This is the same year, 1960. And I just thought this was neat. I thought I could take a lot of these pictures out and use them as journaling cards. I want to be careful. Well, it's art for children, so I can't imagine that there's anything not good in here. But anyway, somebody liked the horses, apparently. Thought they'd make great journaling cards. Then this one is Storytelling and Other Poems, and again, this has some wonderful illustrations. Look at that. Oh, I just sold that Raggedy Ann set in of all the stuff I had been collecting, all that Raggedy Ann stuff. And Sea Fever, the Sea Gypsy. So that is that one. And let's see, I found, oh my goodness, I know this is by a home decor company. It's called Southern Living. And I had bought one of these, but it was like a mustard color. And I painted it out with chalk paint and in another color. And then I put feet on the bottom, like right here. And I get more compliments on this tray. And so I found another one that I thought would be great to put on my table outside. So I'm going to paint this one and chalk paint it again, and I'm gonna add feet to the bottom, and now I'll have one on my dining room table, and then, whoops, and then one for out on my table. All right, last but not least, I did find this DVD called RV. This is awesome. I told you I'm doing a camping art class, and so for crafting camp, and so I thought this is gonna be perfect to get me in the mood for the camping. And then I had the Parent Trap book, so that'll be fun. Let's see. Oh yeah, and I told you about my sister. I was gonna do the little prayer journal for her, and I think I showed it in my last video. And she had found some vintage gift wrap, so this is current. And then she found this one, which is like kind of feathers, I don't know, red feather, and it has roses and red feather and a feather. So she got me these, so I thought I'd share. So that was nice of her to think of me when she saw them. And then I found this. So she, like I said, she's Catholic, and I had the rosary, and so I'm gonna make a prayer journal, and I'll probably do like 2 ring binder and keep the pages in there. If she wants the pages, she can keep them. If she doesn't, she can take them out, and I'll have blank pages in between. But I thought that would be a really sweet little prayer journal for her to keep, or a gratitude journal. So I did get that. And that is all, my friends. Thank you for joining me for my crafty haul, my thrifting haul from the Goodwill bins, and couple little extras. And I will see you for some crafting. When you're watching these videos over the last few weeks, I am in the process of moving, and so I wanted to get these out, and they are scheduled ahead. And by the time you see this one, I'll probably be ready to get back crafting again. So we will have some crafting videos coming up shortly. Thank you.